In this guide, I'll show you how to fix an unidentified error occurred in the PlayStation Store on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to go to Network Settings and Connection Status, and you want to view the PlayStation Network status. So if everything's green here, that's great. That means this isn't the problem. But if you see any yellow or red in this section, wait until it's fixed and then try and make your purchase. Now the next thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller. Then you want to turn your console off fully for 30 to 60 seconds, turn it back on, and try and make the purchase. Now if that didn't work, we're going to go to Users and Accounts in Settings. Then you want to wait for account settings to load, and go to Payment and Subscriptions. So we're going to go to Payment Methods at the top, and if you have a payment method in here, press the Options button on your controller, and you want to remove the payment method, and try re-adding it and make a purchase. Now if that doesn't work, try adding a different payment method and go to the PlayStation Store and see if that works. Now if it doesn't, come back here and go to Add Funds to Wallet, and then try to add funds to your wallet with your payment method in this section to see if you can add funds to your PS5 wallet, and then use the funds in your wallet in the PlayStation Store. Now if that didn't work either, we're going to go back, and you want to scroll down to Other at the bottom, and you want to go to Restore Licenses. This can sometimes help fix issues, so select all your games. I'm just going to select one. And then you want to select Restore and wait for the licenses to restore. Now once it's finished, you can select OK and go back and try and make a purchase in the PlayStation Store. And if all else fails, I'd recommend just going to the store or buying a PlayStation gift card online and then selecting More in the top right corner in the store and redeem that code to add funds to your wallet. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.